Here at the University of Northern Iowa, we have enhanced our cleaning and disinfection for your health and safety. We are actively cleaning and disinfecting frequently touched surfaces within the venue. This includes door handles, hand railings, and countertop spaces. Each seat within the venue is cleaned and disinfected after each game utilizing electrostatic sprayers and EPA-approved disinfectants permitted for use against COVID-19. All restrooms are cleaned and disinfected after each game. We have closed-off seating in front and behind you to allow for physical distancing. Signs, visual cues, and physical barriers have been added throughout the facility to encourage individuals to physically distance. Throughout the facility, we have added multiple hand sanitizer stations for your convenience. Enjoy the game, and thank you for doing your part to keep our community safe.